and welcome back to a new arm and ab session. Today we are going to be focusing on shoulder joint muscles and abdominal muscles. Make sure you have done your warm-up before starting. If you don't know how to do a warm-up, please refer to my previous video in which I have explained it properly. And now let's get started. We are going to start today's session with shoulder abduction. This works on the muscle called deltoid, which is right on top of your shoulders. For this exercise, we are going to use weights. In my case, I'm going to use 2 books which are of equal weight. You can use 2 bottles of water, can of beans, or anything that is available to you and of approximately equal weight. You start with both your arms by your side, holding onto the weight, and just raise them out to the side and slowly lower down. Try to go up to your shoulder level and slowly come down. The most important part of the exercise is lowering down as slow as possible, because that will challenge your muscle more, and also you will have to give more muscle control when you do this. Breathe in and out. The next exercise is called triceps extension. Triceps are the muscle on the back of your arm. For this, we are going to use a weight. As you can see, I have a book here. So you start with holding the book behind with your elbows bent, and then you just straighten your elbows and bend back. While you're doing this, make sure your elbows stay close to your ears. Don't let them go out. Hold this position, just straighten your elbows and bend down. If the weight is not enough for you, you can always go for something heavier. As I have a vase here, I'm just going to use this. Bend your elbows and just straighten up. Try to do this as slow as possible so your muscles get more work. The next exercise is called knee tucks. It's going to be on a mat, and you're going to start with your hands by your side for extra support, and bring one knee at a time close to your chest. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a very good ab challenge. If you want to make it more difficult, you can lift both knees in close to your chest and extend your legs out. Breathe in as you're bringing your knees close, and breathe out when you extend your legs out. The next exercise is called caterpillar walk. For this, you start with standing up at one end of your mat, and then you just try to walk your hands to the other end and go in a half plank position. Walk your hands back and come up to standing straight. As you can see, while you're doing this, you're working on your arms as you crawl them forwards and back, and you're also working on your legs because you're going down on the mat and standing up. This is also a good cardio and ab exercise. So in all, it works on your whole body. Try to do as many caterpillar walks as you can in 40 seconds. And then take a short break. The last exercise is called commandos. We are going to do this exercise in half plank position. So first, move your knees back, keep your back straight, and then you place your elbows down on the mat and push up to come on your hands. As you can see while you're doing that, because you're pressing up from elbow to your hands, you're working on your arm muscles. And because you're going to do this in a half plank position, you're also working on your abs and your core. Breathe out as you're pressing up. Breathe in when you're on your elbows. That's the end of our session for today. If you'd like to know more arm and ab exercises, I have created a playlist for it and I'll be attaching a link below. Please do check it out and I will see you next time. Take care everyone. Bye.